Hello, sixth graders. We're going to be spending a little more time working with mean, range, and median. So let's take a look at this set of data right here. Make a stem leaf plot for the boys' data. They find the range, then find the range, the median, and the mean of the boys' heights. So let's take a look here. Once again, whenever we do this, we have to make sure we find the smallest number out of this set of data. So we're going to take a look. 131 is pretty small. That is our lowest. So we're going to put a 13, 14, 15, and looks like we need a 16 there. Okay. So we're going through here. 13 would be 131, so 131. Any other 13s up here? Now we're in the 14s. What is the smallest 140 number? 100 and, oh, we missed this one, 139. That was a close one. The number's 14, the slowest one would be 143, 143, 144, 145 here, 146, 146. We have two 147s. We have a 148. So you look at the 150s. We have 150, 150, 151, and we have a 157. Now we're in the 60s, 163, and 169. Take a look here, the set of data here. So our biggest, so we're trying to find the range. Our biggest number would be down here at 169. Our smallest number would be 131. That's why these stem leaves are so convenient, because you can really find this data pretty easily. Subtract here, 9 minus 1 would give me 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we have 38 for a range. My median number is the number right in the middle. My mean, I have to add all these up and then divide by however many I have of them. So my median, let's kind of go through this stem leaf. 131 would be my smallest, then 9 would be my biggest. 139 is my smallest, 163 is my biggest. 143, 157, 150, 145, 151, 147, 150. Now these two numbers are my last ones, which would be 147 and 148. So what number would be right in between 147 and 148? It would be 147.5. If you have two numbers left, you have to find the number that is between those two numbers. You can't have two numbers for a median. Now, what is my mean of this set of data? Well, I'm going to take a look at these numbers up top. I'm going to get a calculator. You'll be able to use a calculator today for this, and you're going to add these numbers up. So we have 157 plus 150 plus 131 plus 143 plus 147 plus 169 plus 148 plus 147 plus 145 plus 163 plus 139 plus 151 equals. How many numbers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divide this number by 12. My mean is 149. I'm not going to round it up, so 149 will be my mean. That's how you solve the mean of that data. Let's take a look at this next group. We'll do one more of these things together. We're going to make a stem leaf. Let's take a look at these numbers here. I have a number in the 13 again, so we'll go through here for these stems. 13, 14, 15, 16, and we'll go with 17 just in case. I'll get a little bigger screen here. So let's take a look at this data. So in the 13s, we have 1 at 138. In the 14s, we have a 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. So we have a 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, and two 149s. Okay. See how much faster we're getting at this? We forgot this 146, so I can squeeze that in there as neatly as possible. Any 150s? We have a 150 here, a 156 here, a 160, a 164, and a 167. What is my range? Well, my biggest number is a 167 minus 138. Go ahead and subtract these. I'm going to make this a 6. I'm going to make this a 5. Actually, I'll make this a 17. I apologize, kids. Make that a 5. So this 17 into 8 would be 9. 5 minus 3 would be 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 29 is my range. I'm glad I caught that error. My median. Take my smallest number, cross off my biggest. Smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, biggest. I'm left with two 149s. If two 149s, the number in the middle would be 149. And the mean, once again, I have to add up this set of data and divide by however many they are. Remember when the last video when I was talking about how mean it is to when your parents tell you to clean up your bedroom? Yeah, same thing here. Mean, it takes up so much work, but I'm a nice guy and I'm thinking, you know what? Go ahead and use your calculator. We got 146 plus 164 plus 138 plus 149 plus 145 plus 167 plus 150 plus 156 plus 143 plus 148 plus 149 plus 160 equals, add them all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to divide this number by 12, and our mean would be 151 because the 2 in the 10th spot is not going to round it up. 151 is my mean. That's how you find the range, median, and mean, kids. Well, it takes a little bit of practice here. We're going to add up $5.86 plus $3.15. Add these nice and quick. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 5 plus 3 gives me 9. $9.01. The next one here, we have 221.17 plus 886.30 cents. We're going to add these up. We got a 7, we have a 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 plus 2 plus 8 is 11. So my answer is 1,107.47 cents. Last one, we're going to subtract. Maybe there's 2 left. 75 and 37 hundredths minus 29 50 hundredths. Go ahead and subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. Make this a 13. Switch this to a 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. Bring the 0 down. 4 can't get taken away, or 9 can't be taken away from 4, so I'm going to have to make this a 14. Make this a 6. Put a 5 here and a 4. My number is $45.87. Last one, we have $124.35 minus $88.68. Go ahead and subtract these. I can't take 8 away from 5, so make this a 15. Borrow this, make this a 2. 15 minus 8 is 7. I can't take 6 away from 2, so I'm going to make this a 12. Change this into a 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. I can't take 8 away from 3, so I'm going to make this a 13. I'll borrow from this 2. 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 I can't take from the 1, so I'm going to make this 11. Borrow up here, so I have a 0. 11 minus 8 is 3, so my number is $35.67. I really hope I didn't make an error this video. If I did, please remember to share that with me. And please don't skip over this subtraction part, because I know some of you need a nice little review after a long summer to see how to subtract again and how to borrow correctly. and how to do that math quickly too, because once we move into long division and some long division problems with some algebra, we're gonna have to really know how to add and subtract very quickly. That's why we do this practice every day. Hopefully this helped, and good luck on your math lesson.